Welcome back. Five-time champions Dempo Sports Club and Mohun Bagan played out a goalless draw on the I-League at Duler ground on Friday. With this result, Dempo took their tally to 7 points in 7 matches. Mohun Bagan have 9 points from 7 matches. Dempo have thus entered the festive period placed 9th in the 13-team league.
Billy Mehmet heads back, but wasted chance. Quick build-up and total wasted chance. Debabrata Roy. First time ball in and Billy Mehmet gets there. Pranay Holder. Again an under-23 international. Lovely play here by Billy Mehmet and Shovi Ghosh.
What's wrong with her? In here.
On the break, Mohun Bagan once more. Cross to the far post. Good through ball to Clifford Miranda. And a crisp hit, lovely shot over there. Delightful shot by Peter Carvalho. One of the best attempts by Dempo. Honda, the defenders have gone up to the far post. Miranda with this corner kick from the far side. Goes again and that's a lovely goal. And it's just saved. So near and yet so far.
Endurance cyclist Terence Moniz from Panji has created history by covering over 1,000-kilometer journey in less than 90 hours on a cycle. Terence has become the first Goan and second Indian to achieve this feat. Governor Bharat Virwanchu was the chief guest for the felicitation ceremony to recognize Terence's achievement.
Very good.
The more you age, basically, the more experience a randoneer and endurance levels increase. Like the 4 randoneers that started off with me from Mumbai, 2 of them were 55 plus. Whereas myself, I'm around 39. Anil Luchil is another randoneer. They are all super randoneers. That is, they have completed a series of 200, 300, 400 and 600 in that same calendar year to become a super randoneers. So all the super randoneers had attempted this event of around 1,200. So it's not the age that is a factor, it's basically your mind power and how much willpower you have.
He's the first Goan and perhaps the second Indian to achieve this. He had to do it in 90 hours. He's perhaps done it in 88.5 hours with an hour and a half to spare. Well, I know he made it sound very simple, but perhaps it's not as simple as he made it sound, and definitely it's a matter of great endurance, practice, and a regimented kind of workout. Well, I would definitely agree with him that while age is important, it is not so important.
A video journalist from Panji, Dinesh Karpe.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.